Oh, one more mask that I just made today. It's called the Olsen mask. There's a filter in here. You can put the filter, and I made it from this pillow cover. Just need to run one more uh, seam on the edges, and it's done. I think the best one so far that I made. Hey, I made it! Look at all crooked stitching, but who cares? Alright, the next scene is gonna be just me randomly just making masks. Alright, gonna check out now, then bye bye. Alright, thank you. Bye bye. So you saw the stats. This is what I made in 5 hours, including the first one that I made. I did the day before, and here's the fit again. It's okay. I mean, it's a little bit too big, and during when you're moving around, it starts to slide down. It's way too big. So, like I said, because it's way too big. Second one that I made is supposed to be a pleated one. See how bad I made it. And see the pleats didn't really work. But it stays there. It's just too small now. It covers the whole mouth, so it's okay. But it's good for younger kids. So since I'm pretty bad at doing pleats, so I made one without one. So this is the third one I made. There. And this one's good. Actually, this is pretty good. Looks big, but it covers the whole mouth, the nose, and it stays. And so, this is good. The fourth one that I made, this one, because I wanted the whole Green Lantern name in it. It's okay. It's just loose, so you can't really use this kind of rubber string for this one. Better have I'm gonna make this part right here that I cut. I'm gonna make it into a tie so I can tie it instead of the string, because this thing gets loose. Last one that I made, because this one is just too big, so I made a similar one but smaller. And this one's actually a good fit. Okay. This one is a little too big for my face anyway, and this one fits perfectly. So I forget what size was this one. No, this one was the bigger one was this one, the 6 inches, and so I did this one with a 5.5 and 3/4 inch, and it works better for my face than the 6 inch this one. Right, so this is it. This is the mask that I make. I'm terrible at doing this one with pleats, so I gave up on it. I'm gonna continue making this kind of mask because it looks better, and it's easier for me anyway. The only thing is I takes me forever to thread the needle here. Even my kids tried it, they couldn't do it. Although there's an automatic thing there where you can push down and it's supposed to thread the needle, I'm not doing it right again. So I'm gonna try it better. I'm probably gonna get better. After this segment, I'm gonna add the video of me making, well, on the process of making this mask. And not all of them, but just it's gonna be just random stuff while I was making this. So if you wanna watch it, go ahead. If not, that's it. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye. Alright, I'm gonna make this face mask with pleats. I'm gonna use the Green Lantern twin sheet cover, and I'm gonna reuse the elastic on my disposable face mask. So since this is really thin, this is 100% cotton, so I'm gonna use this in the middle. This one's gonna be the front and the back, so it's gonna be 3 layers. Let's get started. I'm gonna cut this, then cut this, and put the cleats on. There's guides here, so I'm gonna cut this first, cut this, and cut this. Alright. So I got a piece, I'm gonna fold it. It's not straight, that's fine. That's good, right? Right, got my 3 pieces. This one's gonna go over here. And when I fold it up the other way, this one's gonna be like that. This will be the face part. So we're gonna sew it. So I'm gonna put the cleats, then put the string, and use my guide. Well, this is my second one. The first attempt to making this kind of mask kind of failed. There's no cleats, but it looks too small, feels too small. Oh, actually it's perfect. So this one is a fail. I'm gonna make another one, make it big, a little bit bigger, but yeah, it's gonna work. Give it to my kids after I wash it, of course. The cleats are gone. It's supposed to have a cleats in it. Oh well. Maybe I'll just do it without one. Easier. I'm gonna make another one. At least Hal Jordan's there. Compared to my Superman one, which is I made really good. Hey everybody, today I'm gonna make some face mask. Here's the one I made using pillow covers. I cut where the S part is. Butchered it. I wasted a lot of I wasted a lot of materials that I got the part that I want. Anyway, this is used pillow cases. Don't really matter. You know, it's been used before, so Anyway, this is the one I made. It's kind of a little bit too big. I use this pattern here, the 5 by 6 and 5/8. And there's another one here, a 5.5 by 4 3/4 for the young adult. I might start using this one because my head is not that big. This is a little bit too big for me. And I'm gonna cut this one. And for this particular one I'm gonna make, I'm gonna use this twin bed cover sheet because we don't use it anyway. It's been in the bag since we bought it a long time ago. So this movie came out like 2011. So we have it for 9 years, never used. We're still in the bag, but we don't use this part. We only use the one with the elastic in it inside. Anyway, see this one, the sides has this already stitched. So this makes for instead of right now this one I'm using this is from this string here. It's from a disposable mask. I reused it, and I sew it inside. Yeah, I just rip it up from a disposable mask. Yeah, it works okay, but it's feels like a little bit too big. So I'm gonna use the smaller one, and I'm gonna use this one, the ends of the Green Lantern cover, as a string to tie in the back, right? So hopefully this will work. I don't know if I might do 3 layers of this because these things are really thin. This is a little bit thicker, but it's still not thick enough. So I might use 3 strings of this one. This is you're supposed to use 100% cotton anyway, but this one I'm just using. This is only 60% cotton and 40% polyester. You should wash this before you make it, and wash it again after you make it. So here we go.
Should leave one with a pocket there.
Yep.
You want to put the pocket? How are you going to filter?
I don't need filter.
The filter is you get the thing that doesn't, so when it gets wet, you put coffee.
You wash it.
See what happened here. Squished it. Still on.
I like this one better. I got 2 green lantern now. Gotta wash this one. So all I need to do is just sew the bottom part, and that's that. There it is, my Olsen mask. I think I had it upside down. Yeah, I have it upside down. It's flying down. It's fine. Or maybe it is it. Yeah, I did do it right. Alright, so here's my Olsen mask. Matches my shirt. There you go. You can put a metal thing here. I've been doing that a lot. You can use this thing, this ties, within the hole. You have a bend, something bending there. Okay. Just need to find the proper, the right rubber band here, and I'm good. Right, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.